Why do 81% of businesses use video as a marketing tool? Let's explore. Welcome to the Marketing Strategies channel. My name is Rosh. This is the channel where we find marketing strategies and tactics and ideas, concepts, information that you can combine with your marketing to grow your business. And in this video, we're talking about, well, video. Now, based on a survey I found on businesstocommunity.com, 81% of businesses are using video for marketing. That is up over 2017, in which it was only 63%, which was still pretty good. Now, one good reason why businesses are using video more and more is because people prefer video. The average person watches about an hour and a half of video online every single day. Not only that, this is kind of crazy, 85% of the people said they want more video from brands. Again, it's easier to digest. You don't have to work as hard, but you can still get a lot of information. But just like I've said in previous videos, people like to laugh. People want to be inspired. They want to see stories. They want videos that will help them get through their day or solve a problem. And as a brand, it's up to you to provide the answers. 80% of marketers are reporting that adding a video to a website or a web page helps to increase dwell time. In other words, people are staying on websites or web pages longer. Now, the idea behind that is that it helps SEO. In other words, if people go to a web page and stay longer, it's a signal to Google that it's a good page. People would stay there if it wasn't any good, right? Or didn't answer their question. However, there is a debate in the SEO community. One negative factor is if the website is slowed down by your video. The thing is, slowing your web page or website down is a negative SEO factor. My best recommendation is to test. Test and see if adding a video or embedding a video on a web page helps or hurts your SEO ranking. If it seems to hurt your ranking, well, then replace that video with the card and have it link to your video either on Vimeo or YouTube. Hey, don't forget, at the end of this video, I have 2 more videos recommended just for you. With 81% of businesses using video to help advertise and market their company, I recommend you start. Now, you don't have to jump in with advertising and big long documentaries or anything like that. You can simply start with helping your customer. Help them solve problems or show them how to best use your product or service. And then you can gradually increase the amount of video you use over time. Once you're comfortable, maybe you start sharing your videos in social media and eventually start advertising with video. So how are you using video to support and earn new customers? Hey, I'm looking forward to reading your answers in the comments below. And of course, if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe. And if you found this video valuable, give it a big thumbs up so others know it's a good video. And I'll see you on the next video recommended for you.